Hey guys, I was just cleaning out this mess of a closet of mine. Ha! Let's not even go there though. I found these brochures in there that I thought I'd share with you. Toro tractors. Well, actually, these are MTD, but look at Toro. What is it? Toro count on it? Pfft. Okay. Usually the opposite is true. And, you know, just looking through this stuff. Well, the pro performer that fits under any salary cap. Well, that's because MTD makes them. Look at that. Yard and work are no longer on speaking terms. Really? Since when? Well, if you see my next video, my last video, look at that Kohler engine. Do you know what? Nope, not made in America. Of course not. But, yeah, Toro's gone down. Big time. What else do we have? A snapper. Well, they're owned by Briggs and Stratton, so no wonder you got a Intech overhead valve. 8 3/4 horsepower. I find that hard to believe. Their Ninja mulching system, drive system. Now that actually is a good system. Never understood why Snapper had a creepy looking turtle as their, logo. I don't understand that, but whatever. Yep, another picture of the brake. Oh, look at that, a Kawasaki. I've always liked their bagging systems, though. High vac bagging, yeah, that's what I thought. Pretty cool. A little bagging design. What's this? DOV. I don't even know. I have no idea what DOV means, and what the difference is between that and overhead valve. From what I've read and heard, not much of a difference. If any of you know, let me know. Yep. Now that's a lawnmower right there. Caster wheels. I've always liked Snappers because they had that solid front axle. That's always impressed me. Easy. What is this called? Easy line. Oh boy, Quantum. Yeah, see that right there. That bar right there. That solid axle. I've always thought that was nice. At least my experience with Snappers. I don't like that. That system is just as bad as that Honda. And look at that. They no. Why did you do that? Boy. MTD. Gotta hate him. Yep, more easy line crap. Alright. I'm sick of looking at that. What's this? Toro? Another Toro. Oh, okay, walk behind. Okay, that's a coin. Looks like it's the ready start. Nah. I have a lawnmower just like this. Super Recycler. It looked just like that. Well, it looks just like that. Bag on demand. Washout port. Single piece handle. Something. Front wheels. Recess. Front wheel. Ooh. Recycler. Yeah, it's quantum. Super Recycler is what I have. Yep, it looks just like that. SR4, yep, that's what I have. And I have it's got the ready start on it. It looks just like this. Very reliable. And the personal pace. Oh my gosh, I love that system. Really no complaints on this mower. I'd recommend it. Especially if you're lazy like me and don't like to bag. If you do, you can get this with the Honda. Toro finally put a Honda on their mowers. Unbelievable. Let's see. Oh, here we go. I'll do one more. Look at that. Nice picture they put. Here we go. Last one. Sears. Life well spent. Well, you must have a pretty sucky life. See, look at that. I mean, jeez. Even looking at this stuff, drives me nuts. What is this? Briggs? Yep. Briggs and Honda. Oh, they don't even... Kohler's not even in here. The Briggs and Stratton, the performance you want, an engine you trust. Now, maybe. There we go. Oh yeah, Husqvarna. Yep. MTD Husqvarna. Snapper. Junk. Yeah, there's a yard man I was talking to you about. Look at that crap. Oh. Okay. Well, better. Here we go. They call this the Briggs and Stratton Platinum. 8 3/4 horsepower. No, seriously. Who needs that much horsepower? It's probably more like 4 3/4 horsepower. I can believe that. Yeah. And they're mowers. Wow. Junk. Yeah. Man, I'm spoiled. Alright, guys. Talk to yous later.